Hello guys, welcome again. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website. This is the Faucet website, and you can earn free litecoin Faucet from that, and you can earn much more. No timer limit. You can earn. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this one is the website I'm going to share with you. 50 satoshi every 0 minute, every second you can withdraw this amount. Okay, this website link in description, but they pay you least because of the price. If the litecoin price coming down, they pay you much more. Okay, first of all, you need the wallet address. If you don't have Faucetpay, link in description, click the link and make a Faucetpay account. Okay, copy the litecoin wallet address and paste here. Click I'm human, fill the capture. After capture you can claim your Faucet. Okay, this bus, just check it, the passes, and check and get reward. They pay you instantly, no timer, no nothing. They pay you just instantly. Just you can click claim again, you can claim again. Okay, this is the wonderful website today I'm going to share with you. Right now you can see they pay me instantly in my Faucetpay account, and I click claim again, and after that the capture is coming. Then I solve the capture and click again, and unlimited time I can click and I can earn from this website. This is the cycle, and click check, and right now click get reward. Okay, this one is the website link in description. This website is very wonderful. I refresh, I received my another payment of litecoin. Okay guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Today I'm going to share with you 35 best website videos in my YouTube channel. Just watch my videos and like and start earning with all of these websites. Okay, goodbye guys, see you next time.